Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ITEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Had quite a few questions coming on this one today, rightfully so. A nice volume came in. But before anything else, what I'm going to do is just fix this perspective because of this gap down, the charting, it kind of makes things scrunched up. So I'm going to just move the chart over like this. And you can see that'll change things and make things a little bit easier to see. So I realize there's a lot of white space over here, but I wanted to make it so from a presentation standpoint, a little bit clearer, to kind of explain. But after today's price action and really the past couple of days, but especially today, there's what I like about the chart is it makes answering a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that this was a very, very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying that this hasn't been a good move. But that does lead into the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? So I don't know what happened with my drawing software there, but there we go. So that's the big question. Is there any sort of true power behind this move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that level is right here at $1.90. Why is $1.90 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.90. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes on, and I'm just quantifying and defining quote-unquote progress as $1.90. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this movement is going to continue on, just to keep on really beast moding it, where are some of these next hurdles at? So got to scrunch up the chart here. So next key level of resistance is going to be maybe where the price got rejected from today. I can't tell. Yeah, so that makes perfect sense why the price got rejected there at $2.20. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, if you look way back here in the chart's history after the gap down, that's as high as it could get on the gap down day and as high as it could get right here. So if the price can push through there, I'd consider that a miniature blue sky breakout. Now, by no means am I saying that within 2 seconds it's going to go up there and close the gap at $6, but there's definitely some room to continue to run if the price can push through that $2.20 mark. But anyway you slice it, no doubt about it, past few days have been quite bullish. Now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.